Hey friends, today we're doing something magical. We're going to spin up a brand new app and use an AI agent to pull in components from our design system without reading any documentation. Thanks to the Bit MCP, the agent actually reads the component docs for us. It knows the props, shows the usage examples, and integrates everything for you. If you missed it, I show how I build this design system in this video. But don't worry, you can follow along. Let me show you a sneak peek. This is what we'll cover today. First, we will create a fresh Vite app. Then we will install the Bit MCP and instructions files in our code editor. Then we will install and apply our design system theme. Then we will create a row of e-commerce products using components from the design system. We will view the live doc in the code editor, and then we will tweak colors and font. Let's dive in. I'm Alexandra Spalato, full-stack developer, AI strategist, and founder of AI Alchemist community. I help people and businesses build real AI tools fast, using clear workflows with or without code. So if you want to build smarter, you're in the right place. And in my community, you can get a 50% coupon on the first 3 months of the growth plan for OpenAI. Link below. So in the terminal, we enter pnpm create Vite, and we name our project Bit MCP. We select React and TypeScript, and now we open it in VS Code. Now I've opened the app into VS Code, and here I have created a git.github folder, and inside we have our mcp.json file, and this is what we need to have our MCP working. As I said, all that is in the link below. And we have also a rules folder and a file bit.rules.mdc where we have these instructions explaining everything about how to use the Bit components. Okay. So now let's use our agent with Copilot. First, we need to do Bit login. Okay, in my case, I'm already logged in, but we are going to do it together. So, okay, it just open and authenticate. And that's all. And now we are logged in again. Okay. And then pnpm dev, so we open our application and we open it here. So let's share the screen in two, and now I'm going into my Copilot agent and I'm going to ask, please find me my theme. So here we need to attach our Bit rules to the context, and we are going to ask, please show me the theme component. So we can see is searching the theme in WebStantly, which is my account, and then he find it and it shows the component details. So this is all the documentation that is reading. And after that, okay, give me the name, the package name, the main file, everything. And he proposed me to install it. So before that, let me show you the theme. It's here. So we have all these components. This is what I created in my previous video. And the theme, it's here. Okay, so all what is reading, it's this documentation. Okay, everything is here. And so the MCP is reading all that, so it knows how to use it and how to install it and everything. So, okay, if you want to install it, use pnpm install WebCently Agency Design WebCently theme. So yes, I want to install it. So let's do it. And then I'm going to, can you tell me how I can implement it? Okay, so we read the doc and he explained us already how to override the theme initial mode. And so let me know if you want a full code example or help with a specific file. Please implement it. Okay, so it's making the change. Okay, keep. And now I restart my my app. And now we see that the font has changed, so our theme is working. And now we want to install some components. So can you find me a card component? Okay, he uses again Bit remote search. And you see that he searches the card. And then he reads the documentation, so we don't have to do it. And okay, you can install it. Let me know if you want usage examples. Please install it. Okay. Okay, so now it's installed. And now, can you show me the doc and the options that I have with this component, please? Okay, so we have all the props, the variants. Okay, and the usage example. Can you create me a row of products for an e-commerce, and each product should use the card component? Okay, you have now a row. So okay, it's here in Hub. Okay, so here we have all the code that he has written. We keep and we restart. Okay, so look at this. We have now our row of products with images. But I want an add to cart button, so I'm going to ask, can you show me button components? Okay, search again. And here is the docs. Okay, there is 2 button components available. And so it gives me everything, the description, the options, the props. Okay, so there is the button and the CTA button. Okay, so we are going to use the normal button. So can you have the normal button primary in each product card as an add to cart button? You fail to resolve import WebCently action button. So I think we need first to install the button component. I'm a coder, but it's to show you that even if you don't know how to code, you can totally talk to it, ask what to do, and it does everything for you. Okay, so now it has installed it. The button package is now installed. Your code is ready to use the button component in each product. Okay, let's see if it has installed it. So let's restart npm dev and let's open this. Okay, so now you see we have this button. But I'm not so happy. These fonts are too big. I don't really like this orange in this button. So let's change this. I want to modify the theme. Okay, so the WebSoftly theme providers props or override the themes token. Here is how you can do it. Okay, so it shows everything using the override prop. Okay. Can you make the font of the title from the cards smaller? Okay, you should override the correct token in the typography schema, which is likely under something like sizes. I will adapt the override target to the correct property for the card title font size. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it works. So we have up here. Okay, it works. Yeah, it makes it smaller. Let's try to change the color from these buttons. Can you please change the buttons color to green? Okay, so let's see what he has done. I think it's in the main file. Yes, you see the override as here, and this is where he has changed also the font size, and now it's green, so we say keep, and let's see, and now our buttons are green. So now you have seen how easy it is to use the Bit MCP, to use the design system and components that you have previously used, and you can build a full application with that and tweak the design and everything you need. In this video, we have created a Bit app. Install the Bit MCP and instruction. Apply the custom theme, use components from the design system without reading the docs, and tweak the styles in seconds, all with AI. So if you want to build like this with the right mix of code, low code, and support, come join my community. You'll get access to private templates, weekly builds, and exclusive perks. And if you're serious about using AI to automate or scale your business, you can book a free strategy call. We'll see if I can help you build the right solution. The link is below. And lastly, if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.